Welcome to this instructional video on how to solve inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality -6 times t plus 3 is less than or equal to 15. Throughout this video, I will guide you through step by step on how to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Stay tuned to learn this important skill in algebra. Let's get started. To solve the inequality -6t plus 3 less than or equal to 15, we start by isolating the variable term. Here's the first step in our process. We have the initial inequality -6t plus 3 less than or equal to 15. Our goal is to isolate the term -6t on one side of the inequality. To do this, we'll begin by eliminating the plus 3 from the left side. This is achieved by performing the opposite operation, which is subtracting 3 from both sides of the inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides. So -6t plus 3 minus 3 less than or equal to 15 minus 3. Simplifying this, -6t plus 0 less than or equal to 12. Since plus 0 doesn't change the value, we simplify this to -6t less than or equal to 12. In this step, we subtracted 3 from both sides in order to move the constant term to the right side. This helps in simplifying the inequality and getting the term with the variable isolated on one side. Next, we need to isolate the variable t. Currently, we have the inequality -6t less than or equal to 12. To isolate t, we must eliminate the coefficient of t, which is -6. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by -6. When we divide an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality sign. This is a crucial rule in inequalities. So, we reverse the less than or equal to sign to a greater than or equal to sign. Dividing both sides by -6, we have t greater than or equal to 12 divided by -6. Divide 12 by -6, which simplifies to -2. So the inequality becomes t greater than or equal to -2. This is the final step. The solution to the inequality -6t plus 3 less than or equal to 15 is t greater than or equal to -2. In interval notation, the solution is written as -2 to infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.